Hi, everyone. First, I wanted to apologize. I am not feeling the best. I've been battling the flu all week, so I don't sound or look the way I normally look, and I'm really glad that you can't catch this through the computer because it's horrible, and I wouldn't wish it on anyone. Well, let's just jump right into my license plate, and I hope that you can know a little bit more about me and what I stand for and why I'm here. My name is Melissa Coleman. I have 5 children, as you can see in the picture. I have Zach, Caden, Allison, Trenton, and Isabel. Trenton does have high-functioning autism, so he has taught me a lot about how he taught me a lot of patience over the years, and how to work with kids even more than I already had known because of my experience as an in-home autism therapist prior to him. It's just a whole different ballgame when it's your own child that has it. So I really hope that some of the things that he has taught me, I'll be able to help and share with all of you so you have different ideas and strategies as you go forward in your journeys to be teachers. Special needs kids have always been my passion, and I'm here to make a difference, make any kind of difference I can in these special kids' lives. That's what I want to do. My life's motto is kindness has power. I truly believe that what you put into this world, you're going to take from it. So I try to be as kind as I can, and that has worked so far. Oh, and here I was born in May in 1979, so that makes me, pretty old. So other than that, I'm just here really, like I said, to make a difference. So I look forward to working with all of you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful semester.